Peak Design's 15L Everyday Backpack Zip is a flexible, light-duty backpack for photographers or multimedia makers. A zippered, clamshell opening provides full access to the main compartment. At the top of the bag, the zipper runs up both sides of the Everyday Backpack Zip and curves toward the user. Even when half opened, its angled zipper makes it easy to access the main area via the top or along either the Everyday Backpack Zip flank. The dividers include fold-out surfaces that can be set to cushion and hold objects against the bag's sides, allowing you to choose which items are most easily accessible when the Everyday Backpack Zip is turned from back to front with either side facing upward.
The SOG Ninja Daypack maintains you organized for any journey, whether hiking or commuting to school, with various pockets, mull webbing for connecting accessories, and hydration pack access. This tactical backpack has an immense main compartment, a front accessory pocket with an organizer, a tiny accessory pocket for a flat item repository, and a soft-lined top pocket for eyeglasses and electrical devices. With a hydration bladder pocket with a tubing port for fast access to H2O and a flexible side pouch that accommodates most water bottles, you'll be able to satisfy your thirst wherever you go. The Ninja Daypack incorporates side compression straps, bottom lashing loops, and heavy-duty mull webbing for attaching a range of extra pouches, accessories, and modular tactical gear when you need to carry additional stuff. The yoke-style adjustable, cushioned shoulder straps of the Ninja Daypack fit securely on your shoulders and have an adjustable sternum slider for increased security and comfort. This backpack is great for going on trips. It's big enough to hold everything you'd need for a short trip but small enough that you can use it as a carry-on backpack when you're flying somewhere. It is made of materials resistant to wear and water, and the back panel is padded and has air holes. As for the anti-theft features, some zippers can be locked in compression straps. The straps are pretty useful. Not only do they keep thieves from taking your backpack, but they also make it smaller when it's not full. And make sure the stuff inside doesn't get mixed up. The pack also has several secret pockets. Each shoulder strap has a zippered pocket, and the back panel has a slip pocket. These are great for keeping extra safe all the things you want to keep safe. You can get this backpack in 2 different sizes, but I chose the bigger one to show you. When so many bags can't even fit a laptop, it's nice to find one that can fit a 17 inches laptop. This bag does everything. It's rain resistant, strong as nails, as comfy as anything, and has all the pockets you'll ever need. Polyester is used entirely. Shoulder drop. 15 inches UA Storm technology provides a weather-resistant, water-resistant finish. Breathable air mesh cushioned back panel and adjustable heatgear shoulder straps for maximum comfort. Soft-lined laptop sleeve holds up to a 15-inch MacBook Pro or similar-sized laptop. Water-resistant front valuables pocket to keep your belongings secure. A large, gusseted front laundry shoe compartment is located at the bottom of the bag. 2D rings and mull webbing on the shoulder straps provide additional connection points. These best everyday carry backpacks have more pockets on the inside, water bottle pockets on the outside, and a pass-through for the luggage handle to make it easier to maintain. The Osprey Daylight Plus is more significant than the popular Daylight. This cheap backpack has more storage space and pockets, making it great for hiking, camping, or carrying around daily. It has an enormous main compartment that opens from the front, a pocket for a 15-inch laptop or tablet, 2 water bottle sleeves, front pockets, and a harness grab handle that we can also use as a pass-through for luggage. It also has an adjustable sternum strap with a whistle and a 20mm webbing hip belt that can take off. Check out the best backpacks for Camera Arco's 20L modular backpack from Earth if you want a safe method to carry your camera and other photography tools. It is made of recycled nylon that is strong, weatherproof and has 12 places to put things. It has a small insert for a camera with straps for a tripod, a padded compartment for a laptop or tablet, a holder for a stylus pen, and pockets for your other small valuables. If you want more room, you can zip open the divider between the compartments to make more space. Plus, it only weighs about 2 pounds, making it the lightest item on this list. This one's inside is also simple, so it's easy to find what you need. With its built-in rib cage, the DB Ramberg 21L backpack can take a beating while still being light. This backpack is also highly comfortable because it only weighs 2.20 pounds. It looks simple and clean, but it has a lot of features on the inside. It has a whole front opening, mesh pockets on the inside, a large top bag with a mesh sleeve, a key ring, and a laptop pocket that can fit a 16-inch laptop. There are adjustable straps on the front that Ramberg 21L can use to hold boards, snacks, and other things. This backpack has a hookup system, so you can quickly and safely attach it to your roller bag. The Wandered all-new Privakey has a maximum capacity of 41L. It may roll up the top closure to create more room when necessary. It also comes in 11L, 21L, and 31L sizes, so you can carry everything you need for an adventure. It is made of tarpaulin that doesn't get wet and 1680D ballistic nylon on the outside. It also has a new pocket for a laptop or tablet, quick side access, a hidden passport pocket, and a side pocket for a water bottle. Aside from those, it has magnetic tote handles, a strap that lets luggage pass through, and a key hook that is easy to use. Additionally, it modified the back panel and shoulder straps. They now have new shapes and more padding to make them more breathable and comfortable to carry. When empty, this bag weighs about 3.7 pounds and comes in black, blue, green, and tan.